Welcome back to A Moment in History. I'm Seth Udinsky. In the wilds of Central Europe, near the modern-day border between Germany and the Czech Republic, there lies a medieval castle that's basically situated in the middle of nowhere. Now, the castle's isolation is eerie enough. What is even more eerie is the fact that there are no battlements, there's no trace of surrounding enemies, and by all accounts, there was no kitchen nor running water source when the castle was built. This castle was built by every indication to be protecting the outside world from something within, and indeed, that is what the legends say. This castle is allegedly built over a massive crack in the earth that has many believing it to be a portal to hell itself. What is the truth of this mysterious castle and its chilling legend, known in history to us, by the way, as Houska Castle? Well, this world, as you know, is obviously a spiritual place, and since the Middle Ages, Christian historians have wondered if the site of Houska Castle is perhaps one of those strange meeting points between the natural world and the supernatural world. In the early Middle Ages, probably sometime in the 10th century AD or even earlier, when much of the Bohemian world was still pagan, by the way, a local prince wanted to give his son a kingly gift, so he commissioned the building of this castle. But before the castle was ever completed, a massive chasm allegedly opened in the earth right where the castle was supposed to be built. Construction was forced to cease. Now, fast forward a few hundred years or so later to the High Middle Ages in the 13th century AD. The Bohemian region is now largely Christianized, but apparently the pagan influences of this forest had not left, for many locals had reported seeing terrifying beasts and hearing horrid screams coming out of the pit. They even described seeing demons with terrifying wings. So in an effort to discover what was really down there, the ruler of the region offered the deal of a lifetime to a young prisoner. The deal was this: if the prisoner agreed to be lowered into the pit and then report back what he saw, he would earn his freedom. Well, the legend has it that as the prisoner barely lasted a few moments in the pit because he shrieked and begged to be pulled back up. Now, why? Well, when he was pulled back up, his appearance was now that of an old man. So whatever he saw down there had scarred him so physically as well as emotionally, and sadly for him, it scarred him for good because he died only a few days later. So to invoke the spiritual forces of good over the cursed ground, the local ruler then recommissioned the building of Houska Castle as a Christian fortress. Now, the most important element of this rebuild was that this prince sealed up the chasm and then built the castle's chapel over the very pit which was believed to be the entrance to hell. The medieval castle was completed around the year 1278. Now, even now, with the holy seal, as it were, of the chapel over the pit, the legends persist. Locals spoke back then, and to this day still speak of horrid noises coming from the castle, and even with the chapel covering its door, many still report seeing demonic creatures haunt the dark forests surrounding the area, as well as claws scratching near the castle as well. And as if that was not scary enough, in the 20th century, the Nazis took over the region for a few years during World War II. Now, Hitler's cult, which was entranced with this idea of seeking and using divine and demonic power, picked the right place when Nazi soldiers took over Houska Castle. Locals again reported seeing strange images and hearing strange noises coming from the castle, believing that the Nazis were actually performing pagan rituals under the guise of scientific experiments. Now, although the castle has changed hands several times, it has never lost this strange mystique as an alleged gateway to hell. Thanks so much for joining me once again for A Moment in History. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe. And if you want us to cover one of your favorite moments in history, you can tell us in the comments. Now stay tuned for some new content.